clicks in. Now to turn on the Shabbat mode, you press choose for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you continue pressing choose, and this for another additional 5 seconds. 3, 4, 5. Then it says Shabbat 40. That means it's going to be off for 40 hours. And then to turn it back on, you do the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sometimes you have to do it twice, as you just saw. You also have the option of turning it off for 80 hours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see it says S, that's Shabbat, 80 hours. And as you saw, sometimes it takes a few times. You have to try a few times before it clicks in.